Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord for trading. First, download and install the Discord application on your device. Next, create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Then, find and accept invite links to join various trading servers. This initial setup is crucial for accessing the trading communities and their valuable resources. Once inside a trading server, you will notice different channels. These are organized by topic, like general chat, trade signals, or market analysis. Always take a moment to read the server rules and guidelines. They are there to ensure a positive environment. Then, locate specific channels that focus on the types of trades or discussions you are interested in. To get the most out of your trading experience, actively engage with the community. Start by introducing yourself in the general chat channel. Don't hesitate to ask questions in the appropriate channels. Many experienced traders are happy to help. When you feel ready, share your own trading insights and analysis respectfully to contribute to the group. Always prioritize safety and due diligence when trading. Verify any information or trade signals you receive before making a decision. Be extremely cautious of unsolicited direct messages, especially those asking for personal or financial details. Protecting your personal and financial data is paramount to a secure and successful trading journey on Discord.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.